Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In the previous video I have explained you how to extract Payload.Bin file from your recovery ROM using laptop. In this video I'm going to show you how to extract that file using your phone. So the laptop or PC is not required for this. So let's get started. So the required files you can download from the video description, and first of all you need to download this termux app, terminal app from the Play Store. So once you download this app, you need to download. I'm using this mix file manager. So you need to have this recovery ROM for your device, and this file you can download from the description, and whatever the commands are required you can copy it from the video description. So download this payload.dumper file from the description and you can extract it and you can extract it in the root storage separate folder. Once you extracted it, this is the folder, extracted folder, and then again once you have downloaded this recovery ROM for your phone, open it, and there you can see payload.bin file. You can copy it to the same folder where you have extracted this payload.dumper file and paste it here. So these are the files required. So this is the payload.bin file from your recovery ROM, and these all are the dumper files. So those files are required to extract this payload.bin file. So now go to termux app which you have downloaded, termux, and there you have to allow the permission whatever is asked. Now here you have to apply certain commands. So all the commands are listed in the description. You can copy the command from there and apply it here. These are the commands. So first of all, copy this first one. You need to install the Python package. Copy it and paste. So package install Python Y. So it may take some time. It might ask you the permission to do yes or no. So just press Y and enter. So Python is being installed. So Python has been installed. Now another command is to update the installed files. Copy it, paste it and enter. So you might get an error. Don't worry about the error. You can verify it using pip and version. So once you install Python, this pip will be installed along with it. So next command will be pip install protobuf. This is another requirement which needs to be installed to extract that file. So it is showing some error. So we'll move ahead and do another command. Copy and then paste. So whatever the packages are installed in this using this terminal, it will update and upgrade that. So it's done. Now again we have to install the Google dependencies. So we'll copy one by one, paste. So it is installed. Next is Google API core, paste. and that is also installed. So the next thing we have to do is grant storage permission to the termux app. So for that we need to insert this command, copy it and paste it. So it will ask for the permission access, find termux and enable the option, go back and the storage option is on. So next command will be to change the directory where we have extracted the payload dumper file. So for that we can go to the files and then this is the folder which we have extracted and go to details. So this will be the path to the folder of payload dumper. So wherever we have extracted we have to get this path. Okay, I think we cannot copy it from here. So just go to the termux app, then do the cd. First you can see the working directory pwd from here. So we are in this directory now. So to change the directory we can use the command cd and then this one, and what was the details. So storage emulated 0 payload dumper. Okay, storage emulated 0, this उसके बाद next payload underscore dumper, click on OK. Now we are on that folder. So pwd, if you do that, then storage emulated 0 payload dumper folder, we are on the certain folder. So the final command to extract that payload.bin file will be, we have to use the Python to extract that file. So we have to type, see, this is the command, copy, this is the command to, so this Python we have to issue Python, after that payload underscore dumper.py. This is the file which is inside that folder. I'll show you that. See, if you open that folder, this is the payload underscore dumper.py. This is the Python script to extract this payload.bin file. So you have to use Python to run this script, and after that payload.bin. So payload.bin is in the same folder, that's why we are issuing this payload.bin. If it's in another folder, then you can give the path of that folder like this, storage storage and whatever, wherever the file is, just get the path of that file and issue it here. Since our file is in the same folder, then we can directly put the file name payload.bin, and you can hit enter. So it will start extracting the images inside the payload.bin file. So wait for the process to finish, and after that, once you go out and check on file manager, this is the payload.bin, and in the output folder all the images will be there. So whatever the images you can use, you can use it according to your wish. So here is the boot image, you can extract it, you can copy it, or else you can use magics to pass the boot file and whatever it is. So this is it, guys. This is the process to extract the boot images inside the payload.bin file. So if you have any doubts, you can comment below. So that's it for this video. See you in the next one. Bye.